Andariki Namaskaram. How are you? Thank you. Thank you so much for encouraging me. I had been waiting and dreaming for a very long time, sir, to associate with Naveen Garu and Ravi Garu for a very long time. And you made it happen, Sashi sir. Thank you so much for everything, sir. Without you, you had such a passion to watch this movie. You didn't see it like a business, sir. The way you encouraged me after me, so seeing the movie and everything till the minute, till the second, everything is superb, sir. It's looking like a dream for me. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And I would like to collaborate with you more and more and more, sir. I would like to continue the journey with you for a very long time. Thank you, Vinayak, for giving me a wonderful experience to act in your movie. After listening to the script, I sent a message to Vinayak saying that this is going to be a blockbuster story in my career after Pichakaran 1. You made it happen. Not me, everybody is saying, Sashi sir is saying that it's a blockbuster. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's not, the movie will not be looking like the first time director's movie, sir. It will be looking like an experienced director's output. So he's an actor himself and a dancer. Yes, yes, sir. We will make him stay here, sir. Yeah. So wonderful directorial talent you have got, Vinayak. You have got we are going to reach heights. And I would like to do this movie in Hindi with you shortly. If possible, I will be associating with Maitri and we will be doing it. Yeah, sure. And you have got a wonderful future. All the best, all the best. Thank you. And next to my heroine, my friend, you have done a wonderful job in this. So people who are all watching this movie, nobody is talking anything about me. Immediately asking about you. So you have superseded everything and wonderful. See, being an editor, it is easy for me to see the continuity and do the performance. But without knowing anything, coming and performing and maintaining the continuity is not easy. She's doing it wonderfully. So you are also going to get a national award for this movie, I believe. And my music director, Bharat Danasegar, wonderful music man. You have done a wonderful music. And after this movie, you will be getting so many opportunities in this industry also. All the best for you. And my right hand, Basha Shri Garu. Thank you so much, sir. So you have been supporting me for a very long time. Our journey will continue for a lifetime. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you so much, Ravi sir, Naveen sir, and Sashi sir. You made it happen. Thank you so much. I am very happy. My lucky charm, Geeta, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And everybody who have come here for this press meet, thank you so much. Rekha, thank you so much. And Naveen, thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. April 11th. So we are releasing this movie on Ramzan, April 11th. Please come and watch it with your wives. Please, you will enjoy it as family. Thank you. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ విజయ్ ఆంటోనీ గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ విష్ గుడ్ లక్. ఆల్రెడీ శశి గారు చెప్పేశారు బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ ఇప్పుడంతే.
ఆగండి, వీడియో అయిపోయిందని అప్పుడే వెళ్ళిపోకండి. మీలాంటి ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ లవర్స్ కోసం ఒక మంచి ఆఫర్ తీసుకొని వచ్చేసాను. విత్ దిస్ ఆఫర్ బుక్ మై షోలో ఒక టికెట్ కొంటే ఇంకొక టికెట్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఫ్రీ. పీవీఆర్లో ఫుడ్ అండ్ బెవరేజెస్ మీద 100 రూపీస్ ఆఫ్. ఇవే కాదు, ఇంకా చాలా బ్రాండ్స్ మీద డిస్కౌంట్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. ఇది ఎలా అవైల్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నారా? విత్ దిస్ ఇండస్ ఇన్ బ్యాంక్ క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్. ఇది లైఫ్ టైం ఫ్రీ క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్. అంటే జాయినింగ్ ఆర్ యాన్యువల్ ఫీ లాంటివి ఏమీ ఉండవు. ఇంకెందుకు లేట్, లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉంటుంది, వెళ్ళి అప్లై చేసుకోండి.